Good morning. It's the Closet Quilter, and I am going to show you how I do this. It gets a little tricky when you're working with these big star blocks, attaching the sashing and then going and attaching rows because of the points. So this is how I'm doing it. I have attached the short sashings on all three layers, all three rows. I've got 3 rows done of stars with their short sashings. Say that real fast. And I have drawn lines. I used my ruler on the flat end and drew a line just for guidance when I attached the other ones so that they're in line together. So I did that on these points. I'm also, because I'm attaching another row, I need to do these points. So this is what I'm doing. I marked that one, and I am lining this up with the line, and I'm just taking my friction pen, or whatever pen you decide to use, or pencil, whatever, drawing a line just as a guide to know where that line goes on the other star, the opposing star on the next row. So you want them as close to in line as possible. So I'm doing that, just making little lines, and these will iron out when I iron. Friction pens iron out. You can take one that washes out, you can take chalk. Chalk is always a good option, pencil, whatever. I'm not knowledgeable enough to know what's best, but I am learning, as we all are. So this is what I'm doing. I am marking these lines, and then my stars should theoretically line up. I've ironed most of my seams so it's flat. I missed one here. I'm going to go back and do. So I have my lines. I'm ready to attach row 2 onto the sashing. I will fold it right sides together and line up my point to that line. Is it there? Okay, that line. Okay, so hope and pray. And I'll be back and show you. Have a great quilting day. Thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.